This is Juno and Loki's litter of Agouti puppies. Most of them are Agouti. This is a female, number 1. She's got blue eyes. This is Juno's Agouti female, number 2. Blue eyes. Hey girl. This is male 1. He's a black and tan and he has brown eyes. Hey baby. Very friendly. It's male number 2. He is Agouti and he is brown eyed. Got a little pretty little white tip on his tail. Hey buddy. This is male number 3. He is Agouti with brown eyes. Very friendly. Alright, this is male number 4. He is blue eyed and he is Agouti. And he says, I'm a little bit warm. This is male number 5. Say, man, I'm ready to get down. He is brown eyed.